What if you could instantly change your watch screen color just by pressing a button 3 times? On Galaxy Watch 6, you can assign accessibility feature to a triple press of the home button. This works anywhere on the watch and is perfect for quick visual adjustment. To do so, open Wearable app on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. Then tap Watch Setting. Scroll down the screen. Tap Accessibility. Tap Advanced Setting. Next, tap Triple Press. Here you will see 6 functions: accessibility, talkback, color correction, color inversion, color filter, and mute all sound. For a practical example, assign color filter to the triple press shortcut. To see how it works, on your Galaxy Watch 6, press home button 3 times. As you can see, the watch will immediately apply the current color filter setting you have on your watch. Pressing the home button 3 times again will turn it off. This is a powerful shortcut. No menus, no swiping, just 3 presses to instantly change how your screen looks. It's perfect for visual comfort, accessibility need, or quick adjustment on the go. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.